Hello, hi. I'm Hani from Malaysia. So we are here today in Beacon School. So it's a nice school. We are happy here. So please come and study in Malaysia. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tavish Ahmed and I'm from Asia Pacific University, that is in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We have programs from starting from our foundation, that is for O-level students. जिन्होंने O-levels complete किया हुआ होता है, they can join our foundation program, and those who have completed their A-levels can join directly for the bachelor's program. So we have computing, we have engineering, cybersecurity, management, design, whichever you name it, we have it. So I hope we can get to coordinate with our Beacon House students and welcome them to APU, Asia Pacific University in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Thank you.
Welcome to Management and Science University. Now we are at Karachi, Pakistan. So please join us from your O-level or A-level so we can start your journey at our university, Management and Science University, Malaysia. Peace.
Hi, welcome to TAR UMT. My name is Leon. We are one of the biggest university in Malaysia. We are one of the biggest university in Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur City Centre. We are offering many programs to our students from diploma, foundation, bachelor degree, master and PhD. We welcome you to study in TAR UMT in Malaysia. We welcome you.
I'm Mustafa Ali. I am the head boy of the A-level campus, and I'm here for the Malaysian conference here. It is first time in Hyderabad that Beacon House organized such a big event for us, and the teachers that have come here that have told us about the universities here and how we have to apply and what kind of programs we are in, and it's been a really great experience.
Hi everyone, I'm Rutbaya Sheikh. I am an A2 student here at BCP Kasmabad, and it is such an exciting time that we are here and attending this fair by Malaysian universities. Hyderabad, as we know, is a small town. Opportunities like these are very rare here, and it is amazing that students are getting this exposure into universities abroad. They are getting this exposure into what types of scholarships are available, what types of programs are available abroad, and the programs that truly cater to their interests and their understanding of the world. I think it is great that BCP has invited students from across Hyderabad, regardless of if they are part of BCP or if they are doing O-levels and A-levels privately. And I think it is a great time for us to experience this, and it is a great time for us to understand better opportunities abroad as well. Thank you.
I'm from A2 at BCP Kasmabad, and they've arranged this wonderful event. There's fair for Malaysian universities, 6 to 7 Malaysian universities to come and offer their programs to the students across Hyderabad, across A-levels Hyderabad. And I think this event is so important because it gives students an opportunity to explore their career paths and to explore their options and to explore Malaysia, honestly, which is a beautiful country. So I'm really proud of BCP, and I'm really proud that I'm a part of this organization.
Today we have with Mr. Moin. Moin is the regional representative for the AMGS, Education Malaysia Global Services, and which is responsible for the study in Malaysia brand, overall branding, marketing, and overall oversight. And we would like to know about his views about this market, whether it is a emerging market or already potential market for the Malaysian universities. It's over to Mr. Moin.
My name is Moin Ahmad. I'm from Education Malaysia Global Services, EMGS. We are actually under the purview of Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia. We are promotion arm of Malaysian government, and we are here today to promote Malaysian education to the students in Hyderabad, especially the Beacon House Kasmabad campus. Malaysia is actually in a very affordable place of study with very well-recognized universities are in Malaysia, and also we have branch campuses from different part of the world. We have universities from UK, Australia and China which is operating in Malaysia. So students actually have an option. They can study in Malaysian universities as well as they can study in the branch campuses in Malaysia with affordable tuition fees.
तो जो फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम बनता है आपका, वो उसमें आप बेसिक जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो कि आप अभी ए लेवल में पढ़ रहे हो, A2 में AS में जो आप पढ़ोगे वही सेम सब्जेक्ट उसी तरह होगा, लेकिन जैसे कैटेगरीज होती हैं ऑफ फिजिक्स, मैथ्स, ये नहीं होगा. इट विल बी डायरेक्टली दो सब्जेक्ट्स दैट कॉम्पीट फॉर योर बैचलर्स. एग्जैक्टली. तो इसमें स्किल्स भी आ जाता है, इसमें कंप्यूटिंग भी आ जाता है, थोड़ी बहुत मैनेजमेंट भी होगी, मार्केटिंग भी होगी. तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कि यार मुझे ये पढ़ना ही नहीं है, ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है.
And for Malaysia.
before going to Malaysia, you have to pay around 6,400 ringgit before you
You didn't go for the A levels.
reach Malaysia. After you reach Malaysia, you pay for the fees. The fees depends on what course you are taking. Obviously, if you're taking finance and accounts, right? So
Hi everyone, I'm Ritbaya Sheikh. I'm a student here at BCP Kasmabad. I'm currently in A2. I think it is really exciting that we have this fair here today for all the students of O and A levels across Hyderabad. It is great. It is an exciting opportunity to explore your options and explore your career interests abroad. As we know, Hyderabad is a small town and opportunities like these are very rare. So I'm really happy that BCP Kasmabad has organized this, and not just for BCP students but for all the prospective students across Hyderabad. I think that it is great that we get to interact with these universities and their representatives live. We get to know about scholarship opportunities, and we get to explore all the programs that are not just offered in Malaysia but also have a high value across the world.
Hi everyone, I'm Elvira from BCP Kasmabad and I'm in A2. And BCP has arranged this amazing event with 6 universities from Malaysia and the top ranked universities from Malaysia. And these are not for like just BCP students, it's for A-level students across Hyderabad. And I think it's amazing because we get to explore different career options and our opportunities to like study abroad. And it's great that it's for all A-level students because there's really less opportunities in Hyderabad. And I'm really proud to be part of this institution. Thank you.
This is Ghulam Mustafa from AS level. I'm currently working at Beacon House, and I'm proud that I have attended the session organized by Education Scenario and Beacon House, Kasmabad campus, that we got opportunity to learn about how to get into the Malaysian universities and what is their admission criteria and how we can get the subject of our choice. So basically at the start I was having interest in just in economics or public policy, but they have changed my mind to work for broader concepts so I can work with and cope up with the future of the future. So I'm really excited that Beacon House has organized this especially for the students of Hyderabad, and everyone was allowed to come and participate here and have consultation with these universities, and I had